Welcome into Ken's Fishing and Cooking channel. My name is Ken. Today I'm out on the Ocmulgee River and I've got a few hours to fish, but my main goal today is to catch a big fish. So I brought with me some cut bait and some worms just in case we want to catch some little ones too, but our main goal is to catch a big one. So stick around. We're going to anchor up in this nice shade right here and see if we can get some. We got a big old piece of cut bait on there. Got to tighten up that drag some. We'll throw it out there and see what we get on it. I put a smaller piece of bait on that and some extra weight to help keep it out in the middle. Oh, it looks like might be getting a bite here too, so hang on. Keep an eye on this pole over here because it was bending. That one over there so I can see it too. Bye. Got him. No, he let go. Got a bite there too. We're getting two bites at once. Got this one in his mouth. Got him. Oh yeah, let's see what we got here. Oh, it's a big old gar. Ooh. It's one of those black gars too. He's a pretty one. Might not be a giant, but it's decent size. It's got a long black stripe down it, long nose gar. Pretty cool looking. Alright, let's see about getting this other one in too. I'm still getting a bite there. Got him. This one doesn't feel as big. We might be able to use it for bait. Yeah, that's a bait fish right there. Let's see if something has hooked itself onto this yet. Got him, got him. Oh yeah, he's a pulling. Oh, he's a good one. Oh no, he got off. That sucker was about to break this pole. He got the bait too, and the hook. He was so big, he took the hook like that. Oh, that was a bite. I think I got him. Yep, another small one. Settle down. There he is, guys. Let's throw him back. Catch a bigger one. A little baby. There he is, guys. Alright, thanks for watching Ken's Fishing and Cooking channel. If you've liked what you've seen, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on our next fishing adventure.